Welcome to Tech Ranch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. Tech Ranch is highly professional design training resources for programmers to learn from basic to advanced with examples and practice project for hands-on experience. Before we get into the courses, let's first see the instructor introduction. My name is Anjali Singh and I am Senior J2W Application Developer. Worked in various domains for several years, and qualified Master of Science in Computer Science Engineering, expert in data mining, algorithm and implementation, earned Oracle Technical Certification at professional level. Now let's take a look at the courses proposed by the Tech Ranch. Tech Ranch training courses on algorithm and implementation in Java, data structure, core Java, Swing Graphical User Interface, JDBC API, Java Server Pages, Servlet. So all these things covers your basic core Java and advanced Java-based application programming languages. Here we also have a course on IDE where you will learn. Here you will see the live demonstrations on the tools and how we can download and install and set up the environment for Java application development. We also have database programming languages like SQL, structured query language, and PL/SQL scripting. After all these courses, when we merge and come up with a simple software application, now Tech Ranch has an objective to have an experience for a beginner to understand the coding and application development for the beginner and have an experience of a real-time application development. So in that purpose, we propose practice project and game project and coding exercises type of courses where you will see the live demonstration of an application development and a complete source code will be provided along with the design and development of the software application. Now these type of courses are designed in such a way that we are going to cover concept, syntaxes, examples, demonstration, real-time application uses and practice project for hands-on experience. So Tech Ranch is more focused on your coding exercises and hands-on experience. The course content is designed in such a way that you will see some online vlogs, notes in PDF form, practice project for homework that you can practice at home and at your pace and at your own space with having hands-on experience and understand the concept and coding in detail. Syntaxes, example, complete explanation with syntax as an example to understand the concept, live execution and demonstration along with the source code and execution environment. Now basic course covers introduction, programming concept, method overloading and overriding, constructor, array, string, interfaces, exception handling, multi-threading, file handling, collection framework, and core Java technical interview questions for practice. Each and every topic consists of your syntaxes and examples and your practice project and homework. Advanced Core Java covers your JDBC API, Servlet JSP, Swing for the graphical user interface, and JavaFX is our upcoming program to be started. So basically we are covering the database access and the Java-based web application development and graphical user interface API based Java programming. Now for database, we are covering SQL, structured query language and PL/SQL scripting language. For web designing, we have completed our HTML hypertext markup language for web designing, and CSS and JavaScript is our upcoming course to be started. In algorithm and implementation, so this basically course designed where we are going to cover the concept, the complexity of the algorithm, and other examples and flowchart along with the live implementation of bubble sorting algorithm, insertion sorting, radix sort, merge sort, selection sort, quick sort, heap sort, binary search and cryptography. Each and every algorithm covers the live implementation, flowchart, complexity and your real-time application uses these sorting algorithms. For data structure, we have stack, queue, linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, binary tree, and many more is going to be upcoming one. All of these data structure implemented in Java and here we are going to cover live implementation along with the real-time application users. To have a more interesting concept about in the explaining the power of Java, what all things you can do it in the real-time application. So we have one course is on game application development from Java, Swing graphical user interface, and JavaFX graphical user interface API. So we have explained the live demonstration, and we are covering the small explanation, give an idea for a developer to design at their own level, and then we provide the source code. So our objective is to give a clue and a hint and a design. What are the different ways you can implement and execute of the games you can create by Java. So we have covered tic-tac-toe, minesweeper, Tetris, Scrabble, Pac-Man, picture puzzle, checkers, tower of Hanoi, snake game, memory game, bouncing ball, magical number game, brick breakers, Sudoku, and many more. So all these applications, all these game applications are implemented in Java, Swing, graphical user interface, and JavaFX. Some are made up in JavaFX. So here we are going to show just small demonstrations. For practice project, there are some very interesting real-time applications we have used in our daily life and can be implemented with the help of Java. All of them are made up with the basic core Java and including your advanced core Java concepts like graphical user interface and web application based practice project. So we have simple and scientific calculator implemented in Java Swing, EMI calculator, BMI calculator, online random password generator, calendar, word clock, barcode generator and reader, group chat application, media player, pie chart generator, online exam tool, online scale converter, currency converter, sound, and many more. So all these applications is shown in the practice project with a live demonstration and a small given idea about it. The requirements, we have discussed the requirements and the design and the development and how we can execute and do the test. So this is what we have done so far, and there are so many more upcoming programs to be started here, and would like to say thank you and appreciate your all support. Do subscribe and like our videos and share with your friends and family, whoever is in need and can take benefit. For any kind of questions and concerns and source code needed or any kind of questions, please feel free to contact us at techranch2019@gmail.com or post your comments in the comment section. And do tell your feedback and share your suggestions or any information you want to share with us. Please do post in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming interesting informative sessions. Let's make coding fun. Thank you.